How to add text to video in Openshot. Need to add titles, labels or captions to your videos? Let's add basic text in Openshot step by step. First, tap on title at the top menu. Choose a static template from the list like lower third, bold headline or centered title. Customize the text and font style in the editor, then click Save. Your new title clip will appear in the Project Files panel. Drag it onto the timeline, placing it on the track above your video. You can adjust the duration by stretching or trimming the title clip. Need to move or resize the text? Right-click and select Transform or use the Properties panel to fine-tune the position, scale, and alpha for transparency. Want multiple text clips? Just repeat the process and layer them however you like. What kind of text are you adding? Names, instructions, or quotes? Let me know in the comments below. And once ready, review your layout and export your polished video with embedded text. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.